In this segment, that means segment 2 of part 7 of alcohol, we are going to discuss about electrophilic substitution of phenol. First of all, halogenation and then Friedel-Crafts reaction. In last video, we have discussed about the nitration of phenol. More or less identical, that means halogenation and nitration. In case of nitration, it was nitro group, that means NO2 group. In case of halogen, it will be halogen only. So more or less effect is same, that means orthopara position is occupied here by halogen, and in that case, in case of nitration, it was a nitro group. Now the first of all halogenation, we are using bromine. Bromine is the one of the halogen member. That means bromine water is taken. Now it is a polar medium. Now water, we all know that H2 is a polar solvent, so that's why it is polar medium. Now what will be the effect here? Now look at here. That means whenever phenol reacting with bromine water, the product which is produced, that means OH is there, and here this is the bromine one, this is the one of the ortho position, this is the para position, as well as another ortho position. That means all three positions are occupied or substituted by bromine, Br. Now here we have to remember that this is the very important reaction. This is the tri-substituted product which is formed, that is the white PPT. White PPT is formed here. This reaction is not only valuable, directly question may be asked, what is the halogenation reaction of phenol? So this is the answer. Not only that, other question may be arised for here, how can you identification? So it can be identify phenol. So identification of phenol can be, that means this reaction can be used to explain identification of phenol also. Not only that, question may be asked, that means how do you distinguish phenol chemically? That means it may be used as a that means difference from other organic compound, other halogen aromatic compound also. So this may be the answer. Now this is the product that is prepared. So that is tribromophenol. So this is tribromophenol. Most accurately we can write down 1 2 3 4 5 6. So it will be 2 4 and 6 tribromophenol. So this is prepared. The white PPT is prepared. So related question I have discussed also. Now moving to the next medium, not 2, Roman 2, that means bromine in CCl4 or CS2. Both are the organic solvent, and it is the non-polar solvent or non-polar medium. Now what will be the effect here? What is the difference between them? Look at here carefully. That means whenever here Br2 and in CCl4 is used, the product that will be prepared, that means OH, this is Br, and one ortho compound is prepared, another para compound is prepared. Ortho compound as well as para compound is prepared, but mind that it is mono-substituted product. Initially it was tri-substituted, it is mono-substituted. It is ortho-bromophenol, whereas it is para-bromophenol. I am not writing the total name. It is para-isomer, it is ortho-isomer. So whenever it is non-polar medium, this will be the effect. Mono-substituted product, here tri-substituted product. Now the question may be arise, why it is happened, why it is so. So if we try to explain it, why it is so, in case of, I am writing over here, in case of polar medium, that means in H2O, benzene ring is highly activated. due to high concentration of phenoxide ion. Hope that we can remember the phenoxide ion structure. So this is the phenoxide part, earlier we have already discussed. So this is, that means high amount of phenoxide ion is prepared here, but in here less amount of phenoxide ion is prepared. That's why here this benzene ring is highly activated. That's why tri-substituted product is prepared, where it is monosubstituted product is prepared. So it's over. Halogenation we have discussed. Next we are moving to the Friedel-Crafts reaction. Next we are moving to the Friedel-Crafts reaction. Now in Friedel-Crafts reaction, it is two type. One, alkylation, that means addition of alkyl group, that is R. It may be methyl, ethyl, propyl, like this. In general reaction I am giving over here, that means OH is there, that means alkyl halide, say CH3Cl is given. Now in general I am writing first, let's see. That means Rx is used here. R means alkyl group, one of the methyl, and X is there, along with anhydrous aluminum chloride is given. What will the effect? So this R group will attach ortho position as well as para position. So the product will be OH. The alkyl group is added substitute. That means bond is prepared between alkyl and ortho position, and it is the para isomer. So ortho isomer, and that means ortho alkylation. It is ortho alkylation. It is para alkylation. So ortho and para isomer. I am writing a exact equation over here. CH3Cl is used. Particular compound I have using in place of Rx. It is a general one I have used. Anhydrous aluminum chloride is taken here. So what will be the here? This is the R group. So obviously the product will be OH, and here it will be CH3, and here it will be CH3. Always we have to remember, whenever ortho para directing group is there, most of the cases both products should be written. It may be different, that means this may be arise, that means one will be major, another will be minor, that's different, but we should write ortho and para isomer, both of this, whenever it is ortho para directing group. So that's why ortho and para both I have written. It is ortho methyl phenol, whereas it is para-methyl phenol. So this is the product, this is the alkylation. Now moving to the acylation. It is also the Friedel-Crafts reaction. This is the addition of acyl group. Acyl group means RCO. This group will attach over here. Let's see. In general reaction I am writing over here first. In general reaction, say RCOX is taken here, along with anhydrous aluminum chloride is taken. So the product more or less same. That means in that case it was R, now it will be COR. Okay, and here this is the ortho substitution I have written. Obviously along with I have discussed, that means para position also be occupied, that means ortho and para isomer. Now the prominent reaction I am giving here, CH3COCl is taken along with anhydrous aluminum chloride. So obviously the product will be OH, and this is the COR, that means RCO group is this. So COCH3 will be the product, as well as the product will be COCH3. That means ortho isomer and para isomer. So these are the two isomers we have prepared. So it is Friedel-Crafts reaction. So up to this part we have finished it up, that means halogenation as well as Friedel-Crafts reaction.